Hello everyone, welcome back to the Data Engineering interview series. I am Akash and this is the episode where we are going to tackle one of the most important interview question which is describe your project. This question tests your ability to present your work in a structured way. If given in a right way, set the stage for the next set of interview questions that you are going to get throughout your interview. So let's start. A strong answer should cover three key stages. First is data ingestion, data processing, and data consumption. Additionally, we will define the data configuration covering data size and pipeline type. Let's go to the sample answer. Sample answer. Let me walk you through my project structured in three stages, followed by data configuration. First is data ingestion. In this project, we handled structured and semi-structured data from multiple sources, including APIs, relational databases, and event logs. For ingestion, we implemented a hybrid approach using both real-time and batch processing. Real-time data was ingested via Kafka and AWS Kinesis, while batch data was collected using AWS Glue and Azure Data Factory. Data processing. Once ingested, the data went through multiple transformation stages. This include cleaning, deduplication, standardization using Apache Spark on Databricks. We applied a lot of business transformation such as aggregates, joins, and enrichment using PySpark. The data was processed efficiently using Databricks Photon framework. Data consumption. The transformed data was then stored into Delta Lake and Snowflake for a batch access, and for real time, the data was shared using Kafka topics and REST APIs. So this implies that you just didn't deal with the batch data, but you also um, had a consumers where the real-time data was consumed. Business intelligence team accessed dashboard using Power BI and Looker, while data scientists leverage Databricks machine learning for model training. For real-time analytics, we use structured streaming in Databricks, enabling immediate decision making for critical application. So 30% of the application were critical, so for them we dealt with the structured streaming. Data configuration. The pipeline handled approximately 150 GB of data split between real-time and batch workload. Batch pipeline processed historical data in an hourly and daily batches to ensure consistency and governance. Real-time pipeline handled event-driven streaming data with a latency of 5 seconds. We designed the architecture for scalability and we also use the Databricks serverless. So this concludes my sample answer. My point is if you give this answer in a right way, this sets the stage for next set of interview questions that you are going to get. So when answering this question, I would suggest follow a structured path. Start with data ingestion, explain data processing, explain how data is consumed, and finally highlight how the data is being configured or how your ecosystem is. Make sure you align your answer with the job description and emphasize performance optimization as well. That's it for today's episode. If this helped, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that you don't miss the future interview question. I have planned this series to be of a 40 important question, and almost 50% of the questions would also include showcasing the coding skills as well. So until next time, happy learning. Thank you.